Folks, hope everybody is doing great out there. A child was asked in a classroom, okay, by the teacher, obviously. The teacher said, I'm going to give you an essay, an assignment, a homework, a piece of homework. The question is like this: what would you like to be when you grow up? Then the teacher made this particular child, stand up in the class and said, okay, what would be your answer? What kind of an essay would you write? What would you like to be when you grow up? The child gave the answer in one sentence, and his answer was, I would like to be happy when I grow up. The teacher said, you didn't understand the assignment. The child said, you didn't understand life. This was not to insult the teacher. This is meaningful, in fact. The greatest gift that we can give a child is to teach him the art of living, how to be happy in life. Life is full of ups and downs. We all know that, actually. We don't need some fancy words to describe that. So, this day, 20th of November, back in 1954, it started out as Universal Children's Day. Today we know it as World Children's Day. Happy World Children's Day. It's an international day of children's rights. It's the day to promote their rights. It's the day to ensure that every child gets educated, gets the right to shelter, right to medical treatment. Every child gets to ensure it's the day, right day, the proper day to ensure that every child, as I said, goes to school, gets a proper shelter, gets a family. Nobody has to spend their life on the streets. They get proper nutrition, a lot of things. Children are buds of humanity. If they don't get a loving environment and proper education and care, the entire humanity will be definitely polluted. Different nations might observe, this Children's Day differently, actually on different dates. But this one is a universal one, as designated by the United Nations organization. So, more than what should be done, more than talking about what should be, we should be focusing on what is right now. It should be, to me, it should be a day to reflect on the reality, the bitter reality of our day. Have we been doing all we can to create a loving environment for the children, for our own kids, biological kids, or the helpless, underprivileged children in our own communities? Have we been contributing anything towards their upliftment? That should be the question of the day, rather than talking about what should be done. We all know what should be done, actually. Don't we? We do. So, if the governments of the world, if the parents, if the adults plan to build a better world for the children, they can. It just needs, little reflections and what to say, little thoughts, little compassion maybe, and the determination to leave a beautiful world behind. We have to depart one day. You're not permanent members of this world. So it's always a good idea to leave a beautiful garden for them, so that the humanity doesn't get poisoned in future. too much fancy words I don't want to use anyway. Too many. Happy World Children's Day. That's all I have to say for the morning. Let's promise, as parents also, let's promise not to dominate our children, not to try to impose our ideas all the time, not to try to silence their voices. Let's promise to respect their opinions, respect their choice of career. We'll be doing favors to them. Take care. Bye-bye.